Okay, so for this week, I'm gonna be covering the website that I'm working on. It's PHP Motors. This website we're using PHP for the backend, and we use MySQL for the database. And what I've done basically is that we have the nav, we have the head, then we have the hero, and we have a button within the hero. So what I've done is is compatibilize or modulize the website. That's something that you can practice and apply in PHP. So if you look at my my head, rather I have this tag of a PHP that is referencing to this folder. Now, if you come to the folders, the modules folder, that's where you find the header. Right there, you have the header. I also did the same thing for the nav. So you have the header. This is what's in the header. There's a logo and the text my account. Then you have the nav. This is my nav bar, and then you have the footer. So this is then what's on my footer. So then if you come to the home, I only referred within the head and the nav, and lastly on the footer, referencing to the components that are within the modules. And then I also have a template that I can reuse later on, which pretty much have this, same stuff. And then what I'll do within here is that I can do something similar exactly here. If you see my nav, I did the same thing with my nav. And then for my head, I had said section here. Header. Header here. So then I still maintain the same idea of components that I can just then import into this same thing here. Instead of having this core footer here, I'd rather just have the footer component and input it. And here, it's going to the same, pretty much to the same folder where I have the other components. Just that this time around I'll be referencing to the footer right there. I want us to see if my template is still functional. Yeah, it's still functional. So that's what I've been working on. I've been just doing the front end of this PHP website. I will have to get this nav to be a bit bigger because it's not entirely properly visible. But we have the button up here, we have the hero section, and then I've also made it responsive to different screens. So this is now pixel 5. So if you see the button moves from here to under the hero. So that's what I've been working on for now. Next week we'll be covering the database side of this website.